half-inch diameter magnet, 1/4 inch thick, and it's got a 1/4 inch hole through it. That's what's spinning. It's going to be an improved circuit from what you saw last time. 4 lamps that are all lit up. Let's go over to here. We got 44.9 volts. That's across the 4 lamps right there. Okay. Now the difference from what you saw last time is this. I'm going to take this, I'm going to take this power source out of here. Look, the lamps are still lit up. Pretty cool, huh? They stay lit up for quite a long time. Now I'll go back and put the power, call it the energizer. Put it back there, start it again. That's the energizer. The lamps are still lit up. Here's the true power source feeding the whole thing. 1.5 volt, a AA battery. That's a cell phone charger. That's feeding the whole circuit. No 12 volts feeding it, just 1.5 volts. It's a 1.5 volt battery in that cell phone charger. Okay, nothing else is working on powering this. And we go back over here. There's a 44.3 volts DC. That's across the 4 lamps. Now let's go back here again. Here we go here. Take another look at this baby. I'm going to take it out of here. Oh my, the lamps are still lit up. Nothing's there. Lamps are still lit up. Put this back in here. I'll call this the energizer. There we go. Started it. The actual power is, like I said, a cell phone charger right here. That's the energizer. Okay. They say, what's causing the lamps to stay lit like that? What's this thing right here? I just put in a big capacitor on my Bedini circuit. It's a 450 volt capacitor, 330 microfarad capacitor. And while got the energizer out of the circuit, this is like a holding tank or reservoir which supplies the lights with power. And we'll do this again. There are the lights. Get my energizer, take that out of there. Lights are on. That's powering them right now. Lights are staying lit. Put this back on here. Give a little flip. Sometimes you need more one flip to get it going. And that's working again. And everything's back in like it was before. There's wire connections, but this is measuring the voltage. There's a Bedini box that's modified. Bedini dabber, I should say, box. It's been modified. And the light, Bedini coil itself. Here's the energizer. Cell phone charger. And I got some batteries over here. You can see they're not hooked up. And I got my 12 volt power supply. That isn't hooked up. Some other junk. So, pretty much, guys. Thanks for watching, folks.